English dictation 100 words per minute start. I thank you for giving me this opportunity to participate in the discussion through both the ministers are good friends of mine. I have only one option to oppose the budget proposals. Let me come to the perspective of the budget. I am sorry to say that the budget lacks vision and direction. It has merely followed the patterns of imposing additional burden on the people without getting any priority for Indian Railways. I am thankful to the Honorable Minister for bringing out a status paper on the eve of the budget, but he has not allowed any of its indication in his maiden budget. We consider the railways as an important vehicle for the development of the country, which of course is the symbol of national unity. There are vast areas which are left out from the map of development. The inequality in the matter of development could be rectified if the railways expanded its network to the backward areas as well. Unfortunately, the budget also does not approach this serious issue. The very important points have already been covered by honorable members who have spoken earlier, so I will not take much time. Let me now come to my home state Kerala, the only state which has been constantly neglected by the railways is the state of Kerala. Kerala has not seen any major development in the area of railways after independence. The people are faced to contend with the few lines laid during the British period. The steep hike in the railway fares is totally unjustified. The honorable members has deeply managed to raise even the ordinary second class and sleeper class fares without showing the net effect in black and white. For example, the honorable member claimed that he has inflicted a hike of only rupees 45 on a passenger traveling by sleeper class from Delhi to Kerala. This is far from the reality. He has increased the superfast supplementary charge by rupees 25 and the computer reservation charge by rupees 5. If we take into account this hike, the total hike would be somewhere around 20%, whereas the honorable minister claims it to be only 7%. I will not come back to the problem faced by my state. There has been a consistent demand for more trains from my state as well. All know Keralists are one community which are travels a lot.